today's session is going to be like how to utilize Radius Plus to find properties that you can buy, right? So somebody just asked, like, how do you find $500,000 and $600,000 facilities? Guess what we do? We call people up and ask them if they want to sell. That's what we do. And then we utilize Radius Plus to help us look at all the information that we need to know in order to run the deal analysis. So actually, like, everybody's always like, how do you find these things? How do you find these things? The truth is we just call owners up and see if they want to sell. That's how we find things, right? The hard part is determining whether or not it's a good deal. All right, that's what Storage Nerds is here to do. So hopefully you'll join that when the doors open, because I will walk you through and hold you through that. But essentially, you know, you can utilize Radius Plus to look and help you run deal analysis. Let's pull this up. Okay. So this is what Radius Plus looks like once you join and come in. Okay. All I did is I have not picked up, picked a like specific storage facility. What I did is I just picked an area. I picked an area called Americus, Georgia, which is actually the place where we just closed on a storage facility. Okay. And we just closed on it. So we closed on it like December, right before the end of the year, essentially. So we've had this thing for like 2 weeks, or no, I guess it's a month. Wow. We've had this thing for a month now. Okay. So Americus, Georgia, if I zoom out, right, you can see kind of where it's at in Georgia. So everybody, just so whoever doesn't know me, you guys, I have all my facilities are in Georgia and Florida area. So that's why I'm focusing on Georgia and Florida, but you could use it anywhere. And you can see, like, as you zoom out, like, obviously blue and like where these like high central area, I mean, this is all, you know, the Atlanta metro market right here. So there's a lot of storage facilities, and Radius Plus, like I said, pulls the data from the website. Okay. And then it compiles it into what I show you today. So you could take a look at it. But this is also, like, I just posted out. If you guys are not in the public group on Facebook, it's called Super Simple Self Storage. Make sure everybody joins that group so we can all talk to each other. Right. And oops, sorry. And but I just posted this picture. I mean, this looks like a lot of storage facilities, doesn't it? There's like 51,000 storage facilities on Radius. That's what they told us when they did the demo, which I thought was awesome. Now remember that Radius Plus pulls the data from websites, right? So 51,000 storage facilities have websites, or I would say, actually, I probably wouldn't say all 51,000 on here, because basically what happens is people can come in and add a facility. So if you're in an area, let's just say like right here in this West Virginia area, there's got to be some storage facilities in this area, right? Is there like no storage facilities in this whole area of West Virginia right here? No, there's got to be, right? But this is considered like super duper extra rural. I'm guessing this is like the rural area of West Virginia, and there's probably not a lot of storage facilities, and especially there's not a lot of storage facilities that are online and have websites, right? And then post, and on that website, they may have a website, but they may not post their prices on the website, right? So that's another thing too, is like, that's kind of how Radius Plus works. So this area is actually a really good area right here. Like, I would say, where are all the storage facilities in this area? There's got to be some. And this area right here, I call the hidden market, right? I call it the hidden market. There's got to be some storage facilities in this area. Now, Radius Plus is not going to show you those, because Radius Plus can only show you like what they have, the data that they have, right? So your job is to get into this area and look for Radius Plus. Also, another thing too is that like West Virginia may just be like a declining, it's a, you know, a lot of it is a declining market in West Virginia for some reason. A lot of people don't want to live in West Virginia, and so it may just be like not a good area to invest in, and that's why nobody's investing. look at this area right here. I mean, look at, there's like no storage in this area. And this is like Pennsylvania right here, you know, all this area, they don't have a lot of storage facilities here, but there's got to be storage facilities there. There's just got to be, right? But this is probably super rural area, Pennsylvania. And a lot of storage facilities don't have, you know, websites, and they just don't have, you know, they're just not online and stuff, right? So they just don't come up on this information. And so you can tell, you can find the tertiary markets, which I invest in secondary to tertiary markets. And I like, and so I like to find properties that I call the hidden market. So actually, one of the really good benefits of Radius Plus is it will help you to find the hidden markets of the storage investing world.